This is how to play Kgosi Rona by Mmatema. The original key of the song is the key of C. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. If you forgot the song, I'm just going to play it a little bit so that you can remember it, and then we'll break it down after. So it says, Kgosi senatla sa bophelo mabaledi mopi wa dichaba. Okay, so I believe you can already remember it. So let's break it down. On the key of C, it starts right here on this chord, which is C major chord. Okay, but it's an inversion. All right, also known as our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C. So from 1 it goes to 5, also known as F major chord. After 5 it goes to G sharp diminished chord. Okay, it's 1 5 G sharp diminished. Okay, this is where the song says Kgosi senatla sa bophelo, and then from G sharp diminished chord it comes here, okay, to our number 2, also known as D minor chord. So from 2 it goes to 1 and then back to 2. Okay, it's 2 1 2. Let's repeat it again. Let's start from the beginning before we introduce the bass. It's 1 Kgosi senatla sa bophelo, and then 2 1 mabale, back to 2. Okay, so we're gonna introduce the bass on those chords. So when you hit the first chord on the left, you go to 1. Okay, when you go to 5 on the left, you also go to 5. Okay, and then you go to, when you hit G sharp diminished chord on the left, you go to G sharp. Okay, and then when you go to 2 1 2 on the left, you're gonna play 4 3 2. Okay, this is a slash chord. When you play 2 on the right and then on the left you are playing 4, it's a slash chord. Okay, meaning this is 2/4, and then here we have 1/3, and then we go to 2. Okay, again it's 2/4, 1/3, and then 2. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Kgosi senatla sa bophelo, and then mabaledi, and then you play 2/5. Okay, 2/5, you just change on the left and then you play 5. Okay, we said it's 2/4, 1/3, 2, and then from here you just change on the left, you go to 5. Okay, this becomes a 2/5, and then from here you go to 1, and then you go to 1 again, which is our first inversion. I believe you're still following. So we're gonna start again and play that whole part before we move to the second part. Okay, this intro is a little bit long, but I believe you will get it. Okay, so it's 1 Kgosi Sena tlasa bupi 5 ilo, and then it diminished, G sharp diminished, and then from here you play 2/4, 1/3, 2. Okay, and then you play 2/5, and then you play your number 1, your second inversion, and then you play your first inversion. And then from here it goes to Sinatla. You are still holding your number 1, and then when it says Mahona Jo, you go to D sharp major chord. You go to D sharp major chord. After D sharp major chord, you go to 5. Mahona Jo. This is 5. Oh, and then you repeat the same movement. 2/4, 1/3, 2. Okay, this is where it says. Let me start here. Mahona Jo. Oh, and then and then you play 2/5, and then 1. First inversion. Okay, I believe you saw it. After this part, it goes to it goes to 5, and then after 5, it's 4. Rona. From 4 it goes to 1. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 4, Rona, 1. Okay, and then after playing 1, there's a movement that they play, the musicians. So it's ba 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 ba. Sorry. Yeah. Ba da 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 da. So I'm going to show you that movement. Okay. So it's on the right. You're going to play C da 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 da. It's C D E F D E D, and then it's F G F A. Sorry, F G F E D C B A. Alright, okay. Let me play it fast. Okay, and then on the left you're going to play C B. Okay, C B flat. Okay, or you can call it A sharp, ba ba ba, and then A flat, and then you come to G. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, let me see. Yeah, it's ba 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 ba. After this note, you go to F sharp. Okay, and then you combine them together. It's gonna sound like this. Ba 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 ba. And then you stay on this note on the left, and then on the right you play ba 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 ba. Okay, I believe I'm not making a mistake here, because it's quite difficult to. It's very difficult to hear what they are actually playing, but I believe I've tried. Okay, so it says ba 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 ba. And then after this movement, you're gonna go to 5. Okay, and then from 5 you're gonna play. Okay, you're gonna play this chord. This is F major, meaning you're gonna play 5/7. From 5/7 you play 1, and then you're gonna go to 1/3, and then you play 4. Okay, it's and then after this you're gonna play this this other movement. Sorry, you're gonna do the same thing on the right and on the left, and then you go to 1. So you're gonna play G, G, sorry, yeah, it's G, A, C, G, A, C, and then you go to 1. You're gonna do the same thing on the left. And then you play 1, which is C major first inversion. Okay, and then from here it gets easy. Actually the most difficult thing, the most difficult part about is the intro. Okay, and then after the intro it's quite easy. The progression is very simple. Okay, remember we played and then after this movement bam, dan, 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 and then you go to and then you play 1. Okay, before we continue, before we play Kgosi ya Rona, Kgosi ya Rona, before we go to that part, I'm just going to play our intro from the beginning till, okay, so that you can see how, you can hear how it sounds when it's combined together. Okay, so let's go. It starts right here. Kgosi senatla sa bophelo. And then from here, don't forget mabaledi mupi wa dichaba. And then from here, senata mahona jo ohle mupi wa maodimo tauya leloko la Juda senatla sa lehodimo. And then from here it goes to ha hore twe mupi wa Rona. Then mo lefatshe le mahodimo. Sorry for that mistake. Uyabusa baba. And then from here it gets easy. From 1 you're just going to go to 5. Kgosi ya Rona, it's 5. And then 4. Kgosi ya Rona, 1. Okay, very easy. And then you repeat the same thing. Kgosi ya Rona. And then here there is a very nice melody that they playing. They say pa 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 pa. Okay, before they go to 4. Pa 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 pa. Okay, Kgosi ya Rona. Okay, you can just pause the video and watch this note closely. And then you hit 4. Okay, and then 4. Kgosi ya Rona. And then after this part, there's a part that says, you are the King of glory. Okay, it starts on 4. Okay, it starts on our number 4. It starts right here. You are the King of glory. Na 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 na. And then it goes to 5. That's who you are. And then 1. You repeat again. You You are the King of glory, the Lord strong and mighty. That's who you are. You are the King of glory, King of glory. Okay, it's very, very easy. Okay, so I'm just going to play the intro. I'm going to start from the beginning and then play the whole thing. Okay, let's go. Kgosi sena tlasa bophelo, mabaledi mopi wa ditjhaba sinatla mahona jo ohle mopi wa mahodimo tau ya leloko la Juda sinatla sa lehodimo ha uretwe mopi wa Rona mo lefatsheng le mahodimo o ya busa Papa and Kgosi ya Rona. 5 4 Kgosi ya Rona. 1. And then the second time you're gonna say Kgosi ya Rona. 5. And then you play that movement. 4 Kgosi ya Rona. Okay. You are the King of glory. Na 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 ni ni ni. It's about that's who you are. You are the King of glory, the Lord strong and mighty. That's who you are. He's the King of glory, King of glory. Visible in battle. That's who you are. Okay, until we meet again, guys. God bless you.